Wit bosses. Welcome to the Cooking with Wit show, where we make HR delicious by sharing vegan recipes to keep you happy and healthy. And we throw in a dash of HR wit to feed your mind. I'm your host, Tika Falana, and if you're new here, this channel is for HR lovers who love to cook and or eat good vegetarian food that's healthy. When cooking dishes are made, they're made with ingredients, different ingredients, and that's what makes it good. Different seasonings like garlic and onion and thyme and lime. Each ingredient and seasoning is different with different tastes and looks and feels, but each are important. And if an ingredient is missing from a recipe, then it's not as good. And sometimes it's a fail. Just like diverse ingredients and seasonings make a food dish complete and better, a diverse workforce makes an organization better and also complete. Each diverse person, whether diverse in their ethnicity, their look, their ability, their skills, they all have value and they bring something valuable to the organization. There may be different and unique types of foods or seasonings that we may not have tried or be familiar with, but they still may be good for us. And once we experience them, then that's when we'd find out. There also may be differences in people that we may be unfamiliar with, but the differences don't make them bad. HR's role is to ensure that the organization embraces and is accepting of diversity in the workforce, and that there's sensitivity to different types of people, especially when people are becoming so used to hearing about discrimination, and that's what makes them sometimes desensitized to it. In a time when a person who's different may be seen by others as different and can be shot while he's jogging just for those differences, it's even more important that we as HR pros help ensure that employees understand that diversity is a good thing and something that is not to be feared. As HR pros, it is important that we understand our role to ensure that employees respect each other's humanity, because racism and intolerance is not just about different hair or a different culture, but it's also about the lack of respect that someone can have for another's humanity. And it's about an inability to see the other person as being human and like themselves, being human. We're all human. And that's what gives us commonality, is our humanity. Look at these blood oranges. On the outside, they look different, right? One has more spots than the other. One is smaller and has less spots than this one. But when you look at them on the inside, they both are the same. They both have red blood juice within them. And we may be different on the outside, but we're all human beings. And value is what we have. We all have red blood. We're the same. My wish for you is that you value diversity, just like you may value diverse ingredients that make food delicious. Now, let's use some diverse ingredients to make a beautiful, delicious blood orange mojito mocktail that's non-alcoholic. Here are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need simple syrup. My simple syrup is homemade and flavored and without refined sugar. And if you want to learn how to make it, click on the video that's at the end. That's a link in the end screen. You'll also need mint leaves. The next ingredient that you'll need is lime. The next ingredient that you'll need for this recipe is sparkling water. Our next ingredient is fresh squeezed blood orange juice. And the next ingredient is crushed ice. And you gotta have your garnish for your glass. For this drink, we want the oils of the mint to be released into the lime juice for a better flavor. So to do that, I'm going to mix the lime and the mint together and mash them. Take your limes, and your mint. And you can use any type of tool, mashing tool, but I'm going to use a wooden spoon for this. And basically, you are infusing the mint leaves into the lime juice. And you're bruising up the mint so that the oils are released. Okay, so we've mashed up all the mint and the limes, and we are ready to go. Next, I'm going to add the simple syrup to the lime and mint mixture, and then we're going to mash the leaves of the mint again. And you probably notice in the simple syrup mixture that it has some little specks in it. You'll find out what that is in the recipe when you check it out. But the simple syrup's really easy to make. Okay. All right, next we're going to add the orange juice to the mixture. Stir it together. Okay, and I'm going to add this mixture to the pitcher so that it'll be easier to pour out into the glasses. So we've added our orange juice to the lime and mint mixture, and now we're going to add some ice to our glasses. All right, we're good. Now the last thing that we're going to do is add water into our mixture here. And this is the sparkling water. And I'm just measuring it out to make sure that I have enough for both of the glasses. And this is unflavored sparkling water because we already have flavor that we're adding. All right, once you add the water and stir together, make sure it's stirred thoroughly. Okay, and now we're gonna top the ice with the Mojito mixture, the Mocktail. All right, looks delicious, right? And the last thing that we cannot forget is our garnish. Garnish each with a lime wedge and a blood orange wedge. And I like to throw a couple of frozen raspberries into the mixture. All right. And it is done. And there you have your blood orange mojito mocktail. I'm not going to drink both of them, but I wish I could. But to learn more about drinks and vegan dishes, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to tap the bell to be notified about upcoming content. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you know someone who you think would enjoy this video, then please share it. Bye for now, Wit Bosses. That is good.